Hi, I'm Dave Douches from the Plant Soil and Microbial Sciences Department at Michigan State University. And at the Montcalm Field Day in 2015, what we're here to talk about is the type of work we do at the research farm. And one of the main things we do at the research farm is our agronomic trials. And here on the north side of the farm, we're running a number of trials that lets us evaluate over 200 different varieties and breeding lines from our program and other breeding programs in a replicated manner, so that we have agronomic data to see what are some of the more promising lines in Michigan for our material from our program and other breeding programs. In addition, we also do what's very important to us is to screen for scab resistance. So anything that's in our variety trials, we put in the scab resistant nursery. And so what we want to do is find out whether we've got any good level of scab resistance. And so for the field day today, we dug out a few lines as kind of some references and just to see what's coming down the pike. And so we use Atlantic and Snowden as our references in the scab trial as a susceptibility check, and our digging of a hill to look at that represents that well that we're seeing some pitted scab on our tubers. We also have some new varieties in there, Lamoka and Manistee. Lamoka is supposed to have some level of scab resistance. Our trial sample is reflecting that. Manistee is supposed to be on the susceptible side. We're seeing a little bit of scab there. This maybe underrepresents what we see over the years. But in addition, we have some breeding lines from our program, and one of our advanced breeding line that's next in queue to advance to potentially the commercial level is our R127-2, and that's holding up quite well to the scab resistance. And that line, we like it because it has high solids and also chip quality out of storage, and also very good yield potential. Some two up-and-coming lines are U383-A and V383-B. Both of them are some scab-resistant chippers that are showing potential. And this is kind of our first year trialing them in the advanced trials. But what's also quite exciting is two of our lines that were part of a special selection for scab resistance and chip quality under commercial settings. And so we have these two Z selections, Z222-19 and Z219-1. The 222-19 is showing very early bulking potential and also good scab resistance. And the Z219-1 is not sized up as much, but has excellent scab resistance. And we also know that it has PVY resistance, which is a big concern these days. And so from our data from storage last winter, these also have chip quality out of cold storage. So we're quite excited about some of these new lines that are coming on.